In a world where artificial intelligence is transforming everything, some fear that AI will replace teachers. But let's get one thing straight. No machine can ever replace the heart of education. Here's why. AI can provide facts, it can answer questions. But teaching is about connection. Great teachers don't just give answers. They spark curiosity, adapt to each student's needs, and motivate them to believe in themselves. Learning is emotional. A struggling student doesn't just need an explanation. They need encouragement, support, and patience. Can AI detect when a student is feeling discouraged? Can it celebrate their small victories? AI has the potential to support teachers in incredible ways. It can automate routine tasks, suggest personalized learning plans. But at the end of the day, AI is just an assistant. The teacher is the guide. Think back to your favorite teacher, the one who believed in you when no one else did, the one who saw your potential before you could see it yourself. No machine can replace that impact, because teaching isn't just a profession, it's a lifelong mission of impact and inspiration. And that's something no AI will ever understand.